if you all here are in the middle of the United States and you just want to see what's going on, rain, more rain. Yep, lots of rain. Oh, look at that. More rain. Yeah, so this is what's going on literally in the middle of the United States. And apparently, you guys don't want to be on camera here. I just stick the tongues out. Tongues on top. That tongue. But no. Apparently, where we're at, Casey's under a tornado warning. Tornado watch. So it's Leavenworth County, like Atchison, Lansing. Basically, it's Kansas tornado. So in the middle of the stream, if something cuts out tonight, that's why. We're in the basement, trying not to die. But in all reality, it should be fine. Because, when was the last time Leavenworth had a tornado? I don't know. Long ass time ago. But no, try to stay dry out there because, I mean, lots of rain. With more rain coming. We're under a flood watch and warning until like Thursday at noon. And under a tornado warning until tomorrow, until like 7, I think. But nah. Trying to go out to a Walmart here we are trying not to get soaked. Like hardly. So, see y'all then. But seriously, try to stay dry out there.